Hello everyone, let's solve this example where we'll be finding the length of the longest rod that can be placed in a room of 12 meters by 9 meters by 8 meters. Okay, first you need to understand the question. Okay, so I have drawn this room. Okay, let's say that whenever they give the dimensions like 12 times 9 times 8, understand that it is always in L times B times H in this form. That means 12 meter is going to be your length, 9 meter is going to be your breadth, and 8 meters is going to be your height. All right. So now let's see what do we do next here. So here I have this room. Okay, let's mark its length, width, and height. Width is nothing but breadth. So in the question they have given us the length is 12 meter. Let's say that this side is 12 meter. This is width, which is 9 meter. And this is height, which is 8 meter. Okay, so this is your length, this longer side. This is your width, and this is your height. Okay, LBH. Now, if you want to find the longest rod which can fit into this room, so the longest rod comes, I'm marking in pink, from this front edge to the back edge here. This is going to be your longest rod which can fit in this room, which you can say is a diagonal. Okay, from the front end, from the front corner, top, left, bottom, to right corner, back side, right, top. Okay, so this is going to be your longest rod. How do we find the length of this rod? For that, we have to do something else also. So let's do that. For this, we have to draw one more triangle or one more line which will make a triangle, which I'm drawing in green here. So what I did here is I have joined the front end to the back end. So I have drawn a diagonal to the base of this room, okay, the base of this cuboid. Okay, now you can see that this is one triangle, this one, which I am spotlighting. Okay, this triangle has this pink one of the side and this black one of the side and the green one of the side. Do you see this triangle? Okay, once we have this triangle, okay, we can find out this longest side, which is in pink. Before that, we need to know what is this side, which is in green. And how do we find that? We know that as the room is in cuboid shape, we should be knowing this part is 90 degree. Yeah, if this is 90 degree, if you consider this triangle, this one, okay, this triangle, then can we apply the Pythagorean theorem here? Okay, let me mark the triangle as A, B, C. So if I'm talking about the triangle ABC, let's apply the Pythagorean theorem here. Okay, and find out the length AC, which is going to be the base of the another triangle ACD. Okay, so in a triangle ABC, let's apply the Pythagorean theorem. So we can write AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. Am I correct? Your AB square is 12 square, BC square is 9 square. So 144 plus 81, what it gives us? It gives us 5, 2, and 1, 225. So you know that AC square is 225. And to find AC, you will be taking the root on both sides, which gives you 15. Correct? So you found the green side of the triangle, which is this one. So we understood that this AC is going to be 15 meter. Let's mark it. Okay, so that's what we just found in red color. So this is now 15 meter, okay, which is going to be one of the leg of the triangle, this triangle AGC. Okay, let me redraw the triangle ADC here. If this is your triangle ADC, okay, ADC, this is 15 meter, okay, and DC is going to be 8 meter. Now we have to find out the longest side AD. How do we find it? Say that this is, again, this DC is a height, so it's always perpendicular to the base. So it's making a 90-degree angle here. So we can draw this angle here also, okay? So once we have this, again, a right triangle, we can find AD easily by using the Pythagorean theorem. So in a triangle ADC, yeah, you can write AD square equals to AC square plus DC square. What is your AC square here? This is 15 square plus DC square is 8 square, which is 225 plus 64, which gives us 289. So your AD square is going to be 289, which means AD is going to be 17 meter. Okay. Do you see that the longest side, yeah, the longest side of this triangle is AD, which is nothing but the longest rod which can fit into this room, which is AD. So the longest rod which can fit into this room is of 17 meter. Okay, let's write down the answer here. Okay, so the longest rod can fit in the room is of 17 meter. And this is how you find the answer. Yes? Perfect. I hope you understood this question and enjoyed it. Thank you so much.